Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Don't you just hate it when you've got nothing in the house and you need something that's living and something that's floral and you just don't have time? Well, I'm here to help with quick and easy emergency floral designing using things you can pick up at the garden centre or when you're doing your shopping. So here I've got this beautiful little bell pepper. Isn't that just so cute? These are actually cheaper for me to buy than flowers at the moment. And I had some oranges in the fruit bowl, and I also have this lovely urn. I love these urns, they suit my house really well, but if you're stuck for containers and you're not sure what to have, just keep with something that's really plain and simple and buy 3 or 4, or when you're out and about and you're looking to see things, just buy it so that you've got them on hand, because it just makes life so much easier. But I tell you what, a bucket covered in some hessian or some fabric or a tea towel with a bit of jute or rope wrapped around it certainly goes a long way to adding a little bit of interest and texture to any designing. So into my container here, I'm going to put my little bell pepper or capsicum. These, and I tell you what, what's really nice about these is if you've got this on the table or on the sideboard or your banquet table, it's really great because you can just pick them off and eat them. This has come from an organic source, so I know it'll be just fine. Right, with that, it's just a matter of getting your oranges, and I get satay sticks, and I like to use not that end but that end there, because I like that little bit of texture that's just in there. Get those and push that down into there. Cut these before I start, might be a much easier way of doing it. That's got a bit of it's not very nice bit there, so I'm going to use that end to shove it into the soil. And where's my other one? There's one there. Now this I'm going to push right down into there, cut that bit there off, lift those leaves ever so carefully, and that can go into there. And then what you can do with the other one, and if you had mandarins, that'd be perfect. Cut this in half, like so. Get another satay stick, and this can be placed in like that, so that you've got the half of the orange, which gives you another version and another texture. And I'll bring that around to there like so. Also, if you wanted to, what you could do is get little baby chrysanthemums, if you've got those in your garden, and where you can see the soil, they could just be plonked into there. And if the soil is nice and wet, these will stay and look good for several hours. If you're not sure, just do a wee check the day before, or actually these are quick and emergency flowers, so you sort of can't be doing that, can you? But look at that, how quick and easy was that? And I'm keeping that little stay there because I want it to stay nice and tall and I don't want it flopping over. And the great thing is that the next day I can take the whole arrangement to pieces and put it back in its place, and nobody would know that I was in a hurry before they arrived at my place. So I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed sharing ideas like this with you. If you've got any ideas that you've got that might be handy for us all, send me a Gmail. That's astarsplace@gmail.com, and I will be sure to share with the rest of the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.